Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in crypto news and analysis. I'm a nerd, I love researching this, and I just hope it helps you make money within the market. Today, we're going to dive into Shiba Inu's current market position and why we're kind of being stuck at about a bull market support might actually be a good long-term thing. Let's get started. Okay, so here, according to recent report, Shiba's price is holding steady at its bull market support zone. While some might see this as strengthening, experts argue that it's not just fine, it's actually a positive signal for the market. And the question is why? So let's break that bad boy down. Now, first off, what exactly is a bull market support here? Let me pull up the chart. Obviously, we're charting everything every day. We were looking at BTC earlier. So, what does that mean? Okay, we have all of these lines drawn, you guys. We got all these big dotted lines. These dotted lines are the heaviest support and resistance spots that we have noticed the market stop at, right? Anytime we're near those areas, we're going to have a lot of price action. And you can clearly see that happening here. It's not as deep price action as this is, but it is still super duper important because this is what signifies where it's going to move. We can see here it became its support. And look, we had a big trend up. Yes, we did surpass this, and this all became a new liquidity zone, but that happens in the market. It's never a direct exact number. There is areas for it, right? And then now here we can see this as the bull market support. The reason we can say that's because it's in this heavy liquidity zone. Right now, it's technically not just support, it's actually resistance, right? We are about 10 or 6%. Let's actually do it from the bottom. We're about 8% away from that number. And in that zone, we tend to see the most price action for either stopping or starting to be the new support for it rather than the resistance. Now, here's the exciting part, right? Holding a bull market support often does set the stage for a big rally. We're going to hopefully see a big rally coming into SHIB. The last big rally we had like this, look at how much percentage we gained in no time, 300%. And remember, if you're using leverage, I've got my BTC ceiling below. They let you 50x SHIB on their platform and you can short it, right? So you could have caught the run up and the run down. That's really how you make good money in the industry. Right now, I do notice that we are making lower highs, as you can see from its last all-time high, which is a little worrisome. But then the other side can be stated as well. Look, we're making higher lows, right? So usually when we've got higher lows like this, with the trend line forming on the bottom, it tends to be poison. It tends to be being prepared for a new rally, right? And that's actually one of the most important parts. And of course, as always, timing and market conditions do play a huge role, especially with like BTC, as you can see, and patience is key. But here's another thing. Okay, in the BTC chart, what we see here is also higher lows being created, which is exactly what we want. The more higher lows that we see, right? Look, we had this one, a little bit of a higher low here, a little bit of a higher low, and again, it did it. And within BTC, we can see that this zone here has been a big, big support zone, right? This zone right here continues to just hold up Bitcoin, right? Here, it passed it a little bit, and I call those stop loss hunts. Right, but that's okay. That happens. We want that within the market. We shake out people that aren't really prepared. And otherwise, we saw a rally for about 18 freaking percent from that one. And then here we started seeing a rally of about 8%. Yes, we're slowing down, but as you can see here, we also had this red line for resistance, and it has not broken that resistance. And this is why I do love day trading, right? Now, couple more things to think about. The community has been buzzing about SHIB, right? There's a lot more posts happening, and the more people that are watching it and having interest within it will show growth in it. And this is a sign of resilience for the SHIB token in itself. Now, with holders being optimistic about SHIB's potential to hopefully break some of these market highs or market previous resistance. Now, what does this mean for all SHIB holders, right? Me included with you guys. If you're in it for the long haul, this stability is what we are chasing. And it's a very, very, very good sign that Shiba is just not another hype coin. It's actually building a solid foundation and can have sustainable growth. That's all I've got for you guys today. Let me know in the comments what you think and make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss this. Happy holidays. We're hopefully going to be back in a beautiful bull run. And again, you guys, we haven't seen Bitcoin at this high of numbers ever. So don't let these little pullbacks shake you out of the market. If you can afford to wait, I recommend it. And if you can't, then maybe there's got to be other strategies to where you can day trade a lot of these things. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss any future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.